guys, it's Allie here, and I am super giddy right now because I'm playing with the mold press. I feel like a kid. This has brought a whole new rush into my creativity. So I just wanted to show you how this works, and I'm gonna make some projects with this, and then I'll show you the projects when I'm done making them. But first of all, you're gonna grab you a piece of plastic. Plastic comes with the machine, and you can also buy replacements separately. It comes with two films on each side. So you've got to take the film off. It's like a clear film, and you just peel that right off before. And that's just to protect your plastic. And if you're curious, this is PETG plastic. So, and then we place this in the frame, and there's some little guides there that just kind of help you get that in just the right place. And this is a magnetic frame, so the top just magnetizes down to the bottom. I've already turned this on, and I've been letting it heat for about 10 minutes. The heater's up here, so you need to kind of be careful not to touch the top there. And then I've got my objects that I'm going to make molds out of. So we're gonna put that down here. These are, oh, by the way, these are just little foam bath toys, you know, the ones that you can stick on the wall in the bathtub. The kids play with these. So I just grabbed these, and I'm sticking them down. And I'm gonna kind of separate them a little bit because I don't want them to be too close to each other. So there's some plastic in between there, so they're not like joined together as a mold. Okay, so this is gonna go into the machine this way, and it magnetizes up into the top of the machine. And then you're gonna let it sit there for just a few minutes, and you can kind of watch the plastic start to bulge down at the bottom. And there are some measurements on these posts in here. And when your plastic droops down to about 1 inch on the post here, then you're ready to use the machine. So let me just talk about a few uses of the machine while this is heating up. You can use it to make molds for almost anything. You can make soap molds, candle molds. You can do chocolate. You can do candy. You can do resin, you can do plaster. Now, some of these materials that you're going to be molding with, you're going to need a mold release for, like resin. So it depends. But we do have mold release in liquid and powder form that you can use. The plastic is food safe, so you can use it for candy and chocolate and that kind of stuff. And so there's just a ton of stuff you can do with it. Check out our YouTube channel. On We Are Memory Keepers. There's going to be a bunch of awesome videos on there for different project ideas. Our crafters, in-house crafters, just went crazy and made some amazing projects. So I'm going to take a look and see how droopy this is. We're getting there. So we'll just let it heat up for another minute or two, and then we'll get back to work. All right, so it's almost ready, but I just wanted to mention, it's kind of hard to see, but I've got my vacuum wand for my vacuum hooked up to the back of this mold press, and there's an attachment or an adapter that comes with it, so it fits almost any vacuum out there on the market. So you can totally use your home vacuum for this. We Are Memory Keepers also sells a matching cute little vacuum that you can use as well. And keep it in your craft room. So let me just take one more peek. Yeah, that's ready to go. Okay, you can't really see it, but the plastic is melting and it's bulging down about 1 inch from the top. So I'm gonna turn on the vacuum, and then we're gonna make a mold. So awesome, guys. You ready? So I'm gonna let that cool for a minute, and then I'll pull it off. And you let that vacuum kind of suck for a little while, so that it forms right around the plastic. So once that's ready, all right, I'm gonna pull this out. We're gonna separate this and get everything out. All right, so that plastic's cool enough. Just gonna take these out. And take a look at that. There's a mold. So I can make chocolates out of this. I can make candles out of this. I can make a shaker cart out of this. So I'm gonna make some projects, and then I will show you what they turned out like.